what 2 to 3 protocols, habits, mindsets, let's call them shortcuts, because everybody likes shortcuts, do you have for longevity and a long health span?
Really simple. And as you've heard throughout this discussion, stress, stress, stress.
One, two, three.
Stress changes the catabolic outcome. Stress elicits all these stress hormones, cortisol in your stomach, compromises your microbiome, immunosuppressive diseases of the gut, sleep. When you don't sleep well, you don't manage stress well. Everything is derived from managing your stress. So please, ladies and gentlemen, if you want to live a better life, be present for your family, patient. If you want to be a participant in your life and not a spectator, if you're tired of doing to-do lists and worrying about all this stupid micro stuff that has no impact on your life, you must build a regimen to take care of your stress. Now, I use technology. Great. That's my go-to. And it's served me really well. There are other ways to do this. Mindful practice has been around for 3,500 years. Meditation, yoga, Tai Chi, breathing exercises. To me, as a type A driven CEO of a neuroscience company, I'm not doing any of that stuff. I have 2 black belts and I wrestled through college. I love to fight and get crazy. I'm not going to be in yoga pants stretching. It's just not my jam. Find something to manage your stress and do it every day. Because as I have witnessed at 54 years of life, stress never takes a holiday. If I look at my calendar for November, it doesn't say, hey, November 13th to the 20th, stress is going to Spain for the week. Every day it happens. So find a stress management protocol, and it must involve downregulating your sympathetic tone, which slows down your brainwave function and allows your body to oxygenate primarily your prefrontal cortex. When you're patient and present, it just means there's a lot of blood flow in your forehead. Manage your stress and everything else is easy.
Excellent.